Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Toffee. Today I'm going to show you how to write a simple Hello World program in Python in Windows environment. For this, what you have to do is you have to check whether Python is installed on your system or not. For that, press Window R, type cmd, press enter and type Python in the command prompt window and then press enter. So if you see the Python version here, that means Python is installed. If it is not installed, then I have given a link to how to download and install Python in Windows environment. Just see that video. To exit this, type exit and press enter and close it. Now to write a simple program, just create a file, create a .py file anywhere. So I am creating a .py file here. So my file name will be say my test and change the extension to py. Press enter. So if you are not able to change the extension like this, I have given another link in the video the how to change a file extension in Windows. See that video. Now I have this file. Now right click on the file and edit it with Notepad or Notepad++. I am using Notepad++. Now what you have to do is you have to just type a simple print statement here, print, and type anything in the print. I am typing print hello tech toffee and save it and close it. Once you do that, just run cmd in the folder, and to run the file just type python space file name and press enter. So you can see that the string that we added in the file, we are able to see it here. Thank you.